Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cap, the ear to earless front cap. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the same cap that I used on my previous video, the ear to earless front cap. You can get this cap from Amazon, you can get it from AliExpress, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to make it. To make the cap you need a wig cap, any type of wig cap, net, thread, and needle. So you're just going to sew the net on the cap. I never throw my lace when I cut them from my 360 caps or any wig that has a lace cap. So I always just keep them just in case I want to use them later. So I'll be using this net from one of the wig caps that I cut instead of cutting another lace. Pin down the lace on the cap and then sew it on the cap and make sure it's flat. I'm done sewing, so just make sure the stitches are tight, and then the shape of your lace doesn't have to look like mine. It should be straight. Remember, this one I've just like reused it. So when you sew the lace, it's supposed to be straight. When you pin down the lace and sew it on the cap, it's supposed to be straight. The next step is to cut the cap so that you're left with the lace. So just like that, and you have your ear to earless front cap. Very simple, very easy, and there's no difference between this and the ones that I bought. This one is mine and this is the one that I bought, like no difference. So if you want to make your own ear to earless wig cap, you can just make it, and it's very simple. Within minutes you'll be done, or you can buy it if you can't make it. So I'll be using this cap to make my next braided wig, a short bob wig. So guys, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.